Tired of writing checks and mailing cash? Let's dive into the fast and secure world of bank transfers with NatWest. First, fire up your laptop or grab your phone and head to the NatWest online banking platform, or open your NatWest mobile app. Punch in your customer number, PIN, and password to log in. This keeps your account safe, so make sure nobody's peeking. Once you're logged in, navigate to the payments section. Usually, it's clearly marked on the dashboard, often on the left-hand side menu or at the top of the screen. Click on it. Now, select Make a Payment or similar option. This will take you to the transfer initiation screen. Here, you'll need to choose whether you're paying someone new or someone you've paid before. If it's a new payee, click on the Add New Payee option. Enter the payee's full name, account number, and sort code. Carefully double-check these details to avoid sending money to the wrong place. NatWest might ask you to verify these details via a secure code sent to your registered mobile number, so keep your phone handy. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the date you want the payment to go through. You can even schedule payments for the future. Before hitting that final confirm button, review all the details one last time. Make sure the amount, payee, and date are correct. Once you confirm, you'll usually get a confirmation screen with a reference number. Keep this number safe, as it's proof of your transaction, and that's it. You've successfully made a bank transfer with NatWest. Easy peasy.